Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, a TS Tech Talks video. So this is a follow-up of my previous video I made on showing you guys how to actually know who is online on your Instagram. Now, on this particular video, how about you do not want people to know that you're actually online, even though you are currently active online or live streaming on your Instagram. So on today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram while being online. Now, let's dive into that. So go ahead and open your Instagram application right there. Make sure you have it logged in. Now, click on the profile icon on the bottom right. And next, wait for it to load. Click on the menu section right there on the top section. Now, go ahead and click on settings. And next, you click on the privacy. And then you see where it says activity status, right? Go ahead and click on the activity status. Now there is this option. It says allow accounts that you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active on Instagram. So this is set to be on default, but now if you do not want people to know that you are online, go ahead and check that particular box. Once you click on it, it's going to display offline for anybody that is probably checking your account right now. So on my other device, when I checked, it's already appearing online. So, and another crazy thing is, even once you set this off, you're also not going to be seeing other people's that are online, and also they will not be seeing when you are online also. So just make sure you check on your friend easily and you just toggle this off and on so that you know when people are online and offline. So on my other device, this actually appears that I'm offline, and also when I click on this other person is currently online, which is probably my account on the other device, and it's still showing offline. But let me try to send a message to see if this activates. Let me see. So you see, I'm currently online, but it's not displaying, and it's also not displaying from the other person's end. So this is crazy, and it works perfectly well. So if you do not want people to know that you are online, go ahead and toggle that off, and it will be toggled off. And whenever you feel like you want it to be actively online again, just go back to the same area settings, click on the privacy, activity online, turn it on, and then go right back to the message area, and you're going to see the person online. So you might not see that immediately, but after a while it starts displaying. The reason why it's not displaying right now is because you probably turned it off right now, so it's going to take a while to update, and once it updates, it's going to display a green icon showing that the person is actually online. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you stay subscribed to the channel for more video, like and share with your friends. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.